next day we decided to go fishing. We started by driving over to the fishing shop, and we asked them what was hot, and they told us Montana Creek. After about an hour we got there. Once we got there, we got all our stuff and started walking. Only took us about 15 minutes of being lost to finally find the river.
Yeah, so much for a trail.
Then I realized my pole was messed up, so I spent about 20 minutes fixing it. Now that that's finally done, I was able to head to the water. Then we decided this was not the spot, so we moved.
You're good. Yep, you're swimming.
Crossing the water is always fun. This river caught us all by surprise about how deep it was.
A little deep right there. I had no friction. I just started sliding.
I almost got swept away.
Here you at? He just isn't biting. Got one.
This is where I finally think I found my spot. I found one.
Yeah, it's a trout. Not in your gills though.
Get it back in the water.
Look in the water.
Get it in the water. Yeah, don't lean down in the water. Dude.
Pardon my fishing skills, I'm used to catching salmon. I was trying to cross the river and almost got freaking swept away. Anyways, that was my day. We didn't catch any more fish.